it's a great balance between meeting people, networking, and also learning new things. So I think the balance is just spot on.
I would say this is the friendliest conference I've ever been to, and it continues to be since the beginning. It's always been the friendliest conference.
My favorite thing about the conference is always the people. I think the people that you meet in, like the hallway track is the coolest thing, and I always walk away with new friends, which we can all use a few more friends, I think.
My favorite thing about CascadiaJS is the people. The people really make this conference every single year, and I would come back every year for them.